Hello viewers, so today I'm going to be showing you the notable landmarks around here. As a matter of fact, I have an apartment and I have a duplex in this location, but before we get to that estate, I want to show you what your neighborhood looks like. Mind you, this estate is perfect for residential living, it's perfect for rental purposes, and it's also perfect for Airbnb. If you are seeing me for the very first time, I'm John of Johnny Homes Realty, your best bet for anything off-land real estate, landed properties, and short-term real estate investments. Make sure you follow me through on this video because you're not just going to be seeing estates, you're going to be seeing the notable landmarks, the things that will make you have a very good living experience in this estate. Let's go. So this is the Mother and Child Center. This is a hospital here in Ogombo Road, and opposite it is the Urban Prime 4. Now, smart investors, remember that I'm just showing you the neighborhood where this estate is located. So let's keep going. This is another notable landmark. This is Conoil fueling station, and this is High Life Estates. Mind you, we have other residential estates in the same neighborhood. So let's keep going. Okay, smart investors, this is a mall still in the same location with the Conoil fueling station. Over here you have a restaurant, you have a salon, you have a supermarket, and you also have where you can come and dry clean your outfits. And this is the Greater Schools. This is a school that your kids can also attend. You see why you need to buy an apartment in this location. I remember when we started selling this mall, as at 2022, this mall was not at this stage. This is to tell you that if you want to invest in real estate, you need to make that decision ASAP. I know clients that missed out on buying this beautiful mall you are seeing here. Now, smart investors, we have the Lekki Scheme 2. This is Lekki Scheme 2 estates right opposite the Ajah Mall. Aside the Ajah Mall, we have Ajah Cinemas, we have the Ajah Suites. Smart investors, there are so many things in here. Both Ajah Kiddies Park, where your children can come and play. Okay, so these are the reasons why you need to invest in this apartment, in this terrace, and in this duplex I'm about to show you. So let's keep going. Right here is another plaza here. Over here, there are so many things here. As a resident of this estate, even as a short-let owner here, these are the things that your clients will get to enjoy. There's nothing as sweet as having things around you. Okay, you don't need to travel all the way to buy some things and to even eat. Smart investors, aside all this you are seeing here, there is another mall beside here. I'm going to be showing you that there we have restaurants, we have pharmacies, we have supermarkets. There is a whole lot here. If you don't want to shop here, you can as well shop here in Ajah Mall. Okay, this is another mall. Over here we have the gadget shop, and you that want to buy this estate for the purpose of investment purpose, these are the things that your clients will get to enjoy. So stay tuned and keep watching, and don't forget to tap on your subscribe button so that you stay notified whenever we drop updates on this channel. Let's keep going. Over here is the Urban Prime 2, and opposite Urban Prime 2 we have the Urban Prime 1, a well-planned residential estate here in Ogombo Road, still in the same neighborhood with this beautiful estate I'm about to show you. Smart investors, you are not alone. Let's keep going. This is an upcoming estate, but I want to show you that aside residential estates, smart investors, we have event center here and we have religious center here. This is the Redeemed Christian Church, okay, and this is an event center here. All these are still in this location where this beautiful apartments, duplexes, and terraces are located. Here is another residential estate, the Pinnacle Estate. Okay, so there are so many residential estates in this location. That is to tell you that this neighborhood is 100% habitable. Smart investors, this is Citadel View Estate, and there is something I want to show you. Aside the Adesanya road, you can as well connect to the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway through this road. There is nothing as sweet as having a very good access road to an estate, either for residential purpose or for short-let purpose. This is another reason why you need to buy into this beautiful apartment I'm about to show you. I know some of you may not know, but I'm talking about the Citadel Oasis. Just opposite the Lagos Charterhouse. Years ago, we started off this project and now we have completed. Currently, we are on Citadel Oasis, and you need to buy into the apartments. You need to buy into the 3-bedroom terraces, and you need to buy into the 4-bed semi-detached duplex. Voila, we are here now, and this is the Lagos Charterhouse School, and this is Citadel Oasis. Let's step in. So I will show you a beautiful 4-bedroom, a lovely 2-bedroom apartment, and a nice 3-bedroom terrace, all in here for you to buy into. If you're seeing this video for the very first time and you've been following up right from the time I started this video, thank you so much. But please watch till the very end, because I have a lovely home here for you to buy into. Either you want to buy into this houses for residential purpose, for short-let purpose, for you to even live in it with your family, is 100% allowed. This estate comes with lovely features. You're going to be having the kids playground, you're going to be having the kids swimming pool, the adult swimming pool, a fitness center, a football pitch, a court. Smart investors, we did it before in Citadel View 1.0 and in Citadel View 2.0, and doing it here, you can see the result is already speaking for itself. This lovely buildings you are seeing here are our 4-bedroom semi-detached duplexes. We also have an apartment. Smart investors, we are almost selling out. We are almost selling out. We are almost selling out. I know the reason why I said it 3 times, okay? So that it will think that you are almost late. So the 2-bedroom apartment is available, and this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplexes are also available. Make sure you read the caption and also find price in the description section. So keep watching. You have seen the neighborhood right from when I started this video. All this are the reasons. It's clear that this place is 100% habitable, and you're going to have a very good living experience here when you buy either this 4-bed or the 2-bed apartments, or even the 3-bed terrace duplex. Smart investors, we have payment plan, but just for 8 months. Okay, there are no 12 months payment plan anymore here in Citadel Oasis. Just 8 months payment plan, because tell me, this project is almost completed. So if you want to buy into an estate, if you want to buy into a project that you don't need a long payment plan, Citadel Oasis is that project you need to buy into. And you need to just call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen right away, and we'll take it up from there. So let's keep going. I'm about to show you the apartments. I'm also about to show you the terraces. Today, I'm not going to be moving into any of these units. I have a video where I moved into this unit. So if you want to see what the inside looks like, if you're my first time viewer, if you're seeing this video for the very first time and you don't know what this estate looks like, I mean the inside side of those buildings, just send me a WhatsApp message and request for that video, and I'll share the link with you and you'll watch the video. But today I'm just here to show you the latest site updates and to remind you that if you're still indecisive of buying into this project, you're going to be missing out on it if you don't take action. So keep watching. Wow, it's good to have an NSPP down here. What God cannot do does not exist. We dey pray, he dey show. Lovely homes, perfect for you and your family, perfect for you as a single person. So these are units of apartments coming up, okay? We have about 3 blocks of apartments completed already. Smart investors, let me tell you the truth. Those apartments that are no longer available. Those 3 first blocks that were built, they are no longer available. So if you keep delaying, you see that there's every possibility that you will miss out on owning something here in Citadel Oasis. Those were the first 3 blocks we constructed, and mind you, so many smart investors have been buying into this project. So those 3 blocks that you're seeing painted, that is already 99% ready, they are no longer available. So you still have all these other apartments to buy into. If you want to buy into our 2-bedroom apartment, make that decision ASAP. Remember that we have just 8 months payment plan. There are no 12 months payment plan anymore. But if you need a 12 months plan, you can call me and I can recommend our other project, the Capital Gardens in Idera scheme. So let's keep going. Okay, viewers, welcome back. Welcome. Thank you for sticking around to the very end of this video. Citadel Oasis is that estate that you need to buy into. Either the 4-bedroom semi-detached, or the 2-bedroom apartments, or even the 3-bedroom terrace duplexes. Remember, location matters. And you saw that in this video, I was able to show you the neighborhood where this estate is located. That is enough reason for you to buy into this project. And I would advise you, if you don't buy here, if you don't want to buy here to live, buy here for investment purpose. You can do a short-let business here, okay? You can also put here on rent. This location is very high when it comes to renting houses, okay? Ogombo has opened. For most of us that don't know what Ogombo looks like, you watched the video, you saw the so many developments that has come to stay here, including the Ajah Mall. There are so many things here that will give you a very good living experience here in Citadel Oasis. Till I come your way again, John of Johnny Homes Realty. Till next time, bye.